Opposite. Opposite. Opposite.
What's up, YouTubers? It's Big Unc and
You.
Platinum Menace.
Oh, you better finish.
And we're here because we did a trade with Mr. Daydreams and Nightmares. And the box came in today, so we're going to open the box and see what we got.
Yeah. Yeah.
We sent Mr. Daydreams and Nightmares a box that contained the Demogorgon.
Yeah.
The Chase Demogorgon.
Demogorgon.
Chase Demogorgon. There we go. You got a dog?
We got Goldie.
Knock down. See what we got here. Paper!
Paper!
Look, we got paper! Oh, we got a note.
A note?
Well, let's look at the note first.
Wow!
See, look at the note. Says, thank you for the trade. I hope you enjoy. Oh, blocking your face. Thank you for the trade. I hope you enjoy the pops. I thought I would throw in something a little extra. I'm not sure if you still have this, but I thought you might appreciate. Okay, hold on a second. All right, he wants to look at the pops first, so we're gonna look at the pops first. See what we got here. Let's do one at a time. Let's do one at a time. Calm down. Ooh.
I want that one.
That's from your favorite movie, Star Wars.
Yeah.
It's Saw Gerrera.
I want to put it in my room.
All right, we'll talk about it. See if you got something we can do a trade. Do a trade, maybe.
That one put in my room.
Okay, let's see what this one is.
I want that put in my room.
Oh, it's Blade. This is the one I really wanted.
I want that put in my room.
No, this one's mine.
Oh.
This one's mine.
Yeah, that mine put in my room.
This one's actually I have a trade already set up for this one, so this one's gonna go with somebody else.
Ah!
It's Killer Croc. The Walmart glow in the dark. Is it the glow in the dark? No, it's just the hooded one. The Walmart hooded one.
I want that put in my room, yes.
But you don't even know that movie. You want Saw Gerrera because he's from Star Wars and you love Star Wars.
What?
See, Star Wars, Saw Gerrera, Walmart. That's pretty cool. Look at it. See, he's got his little walking stick.
Yeah.
See all the Star Wars guys. You know Star Wars. There's Darth Vader.
Okay.
Yeah.
I did put it in my room.
Yeah, maybe we will. Maybe we will. But then you'll probably just break it because you like to break toys.
Yeah.
You're a toy breaker.
Hello, you going to
No, you're a toy breaker.
Wow.
Alright, let's see what's in here. I'm guessing it's not a pop.
Yeah.
Not a pop.
No,
Not a pop. Not a pop.
no, pop. Pop.
I think it might be a comic book.
A comic book.
A comic book?
Huh?
Oh, don't touch it.
What?
Damn, that is awesome. I've told the story. Man, hey, don't touch it. Give me a little sandwich.
No, I didn't hear that.
I told the story probably several times in different videos about my first comic book.
I think that put my room.
This is the comic book that started me on my Punisher. Number 21.
Comic book.
By the time I think it was like number 26 came out, I had like almost all of 1 through 20.
Yeah.
Wow. That is awesome. Thank you so much. That
Thank you
is
so much.
wow.
Wow.
That is beautiful condition. Brings back so many memories.
That put my room.
Comic book, man. You don't have to put this in your room.
What?
Grandpa bought me this when I was younger. When I was like.
Grandpa put me a pew pew.
I was older than McKenna.
Grandpa put me pew pew one.
That is. Thank you so much. That is awesome. I really hope you enjoy the
pew pew one.
The chase, and I included a little.
Yeah, that pew pew one.
Yeah, it's a pew pew one. And I included a little something extra, not as awesome as this, but wow, that is awesome. So thank you once again, Mr. Daydreamers and Nightmare.
Yeah.
It was a good trade.
Yep.
What'd you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Remember, go sit quietly in the dark.
Okay. Guy.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
See ya.
Bye.